Hi, coming to you live from Burger 21. Burger 21 is a restaurant that specializes in 21 different kinds of burgers. The burgers that they have here on their menu, several kinds. They also include seafood burgers, veggie burgers, chicken burgers, and the all-new turkey burgers. Their regular hamburgers are made out of certified Angus beef burgers, and they are all 1/3 quarter-pound hamburgers. You can also get a double burger, which I guess that might make that potentially 2/3 of a pound. But anyways, for their seafood burgers, they're really cool here. They have a spicy Thai shrimp burger. Personally, I would not recommend that. We brought someone here to eat with us before, and they ordered this spicy Thai shrimp burger, and they regretted it. And they actually like stuff like that, so I don't really recommend that one. The second thing they have that's really cool is the ahi tuna, and that actually looks really good. For the veggie burgers, they have a black bean burger and a Greek burger. For the chicken burgers, they have a chicken parmesan, buffalo chicken, Monterey chicken, and a Mediterranean chicken sandwich. The turkey burgers, they have one called a skinny. I don't know if that actually makes you skinny, but it's worth trying. They have a Cobb burger. On the regular burgers, I'll go through these. They have Burger 101. They have a cheesy burger, bacon cheesy burger, a shroom burger, black and blue burger, the oh my god burger, the Cinco burger, the Philly cheeseburger, a barbecue bacon burger, and a Texas haystack. They are also known for having their burger of the month. This particular month, the burger of the month happens to be a Memphis barbecue burger. It looks like it contains barbecue pork or barbecue beef on the burger. Something else that they really have that's cool here is they have a milkshake bar. The milkshakes are amazing. They have retro floats, shakes, signature shakes, sundaes. They also have some cookies that you can purchase. For the French fries, they sell them in baskets. They sell them by a regular size, large size, or a 1-pound basket. They also have sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries, or you can get half and half, where the French fries are mixed with the sweet potato fries. For people who are really trying to watch their health, they also have fresh salads. The fresh salads, they have a black and blue chopped, which actually contains beef in it. They have a chopped Cobb with grilled chicken. They have a Sonoma Valley, which is filled with mixed greens, blue cheese crumbles, candied pecans, cranberries, grapes, tomatoes, raspberry walnut vinaigrette, and you can add grilled chicken to it. And then there is a Super Burger Bowl. The Super Burger Bowl has any choice of your hamburger patty with romaine, mixed greens, tomatoes, carrots, onions, and bacon. You can also do a tuna burger on that or a shrimp burger on that instead. Burger 21 is really cool place to eat. It's fun. The atmosphere is very retro. It's also a little contemporary. It's a contemporary retro. They play disco music in the background, which I absolutely love. The music is awesome. I'm going to take the camera and just kind of zoom through here just a little bit behind me and let you take a peek of the place. But if there's a Burger 21 near you, try it. It's an awesome place to Anyways, getting ready to enjoy my burger. Until next time, spread peace, love, and happiness.